Please stop scrolling, please. This might be the most important video that you might be seeing today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how ChatGPT has made me money on my social media platform on a daily basis, when others are using it for jokes, others are using it for homework. But for me, I've used it as a tool to start making money. Gone are the days when I would struggle, when I would scratch my head, when I would take hours. But now it is just simple and precise. Can you believe nobody is talking about it very properly? Nobody is coming to you and telling you, do you know what, baby girl, you can do this as simple as it is. Don't forget, I always tell you, on social media, there is no competition. The competition is in your mind, because you're not being paid by an individual. You're being paid. Welcome back to Market Show. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. Never. So is you. Special thanks to all my top engagers. Special thanks to you who just joined us yesterday, and to the individuals who joined us 3-5 years back. We are now 5 years. Let me show you guys the 5 real ways ChatGPT has made me earn money in my journey with social media platform. But this is a disclaimer. I don't want to twist it. I'm giving you less than 10%. I want you to sit down, go and touch your Chrome, go and touch your anything ChatGPT, ask, do research. If you feel you want to join it, if you feel you want to use it, you can start using it. But meanwhile, do you know ChatGPT? There are some people who don't know what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is my personal assistant, my brain jotter. Should I call it? Even is a high level of, I cannot explain it. So ChatGPT, you'll find it on Android, you'll find it on iPhone. It has 2 versions. It has one is free and another one is premium, and even super premium. If you want to know more about ChatGPT, I want you to write it in the comment section if you've never heard about it. Also, if you've heard about it, I want you to put down what have you used it for. Now, let's dive in. Remember, this video is going to be very short and precise. Don't forget, it is for educational purposes. I'm not saying that the moment you follow this video, you're going to be a millionaire. No. It all in your mindset, your focus, and even other best practices. Before, I used to use something like 30 minutes thinking of what should I post, thinking of what should I write. Now it brings me the first way it has helped me. It has made me become like a writer pro as far as viral post is concerned. I want you to go to my Facebook post. If you go to my Facebook channel, I'm always having posts that are very beautiful, they're engaging, and the earning rate is very high. My earning rate for post is always high. Why? It's because ChatGPT. I no longer say, what should I post today? No. What I do, I open ChatGPT and I ask it, write me an engaging Facebook post concerning money, concerning mobile phone, concerning today. Can you imagine? Even as I make this video, I did it. Go to my Facebook account. You're going to find there something like that. I go blank sometimes. So I go to my bigger brain jotter and ask him, what is trending today? And the moment it tells me, I say, please, can you write for me a script? Can you write for me a post description? And it does. So it is always ready, and it can give me as many as I can. However, I'm not a copy-paste, and you should also not be copy-paste. The moment you finish getting it from ChatGPT, sit down, make it real, make it yours. Then you'll find things are okay. You can ask it very many different things, like what to post like that can attract more comments. It knows how to twist it. What to post that can be recommended by Facebook more. What can I post that can bring more followers? All this it is going to give you. So that is one. The second one is it has become my content brainer. Content brainer, it has given me enough scripts. Even the script you see right now for this video, it is the one that gave me. What I tell it, I just tell it, please give me a script about the 5 ways of how I've used ChatGPT and I've gotten money daily. Please make it a bit well for people to keep watching. And let me tell you, people don't watch my videos. The views might be few, but my duration view, it is always above 4 minutes, which is very beautiful. So kudos to ChatGPT. So most creators tend to talk a lot. Someone was asking me yesterday, how many minutes, how long is your video? My video is always 7 to 10. The maximum is 10. That means I don't talk a lot. And what has shaped me, it's ChatGPT. Because when you talk a lot, you'll talk nonsense and people will be scrolling away. They will not get it. So this one, it gives me a video script that has good hooks for retention. Like, I will not start, subscribe, do this, I come from Uganda, no. You know this, I don't do that. And let me tell you, the moment you get a script, it means you can even do as many videos as you can. So ChatGPT has been good at that. The third one, it has turned my ideas into ebooks and digital products. Yes! I have 3 books right now, but they are all my ideas. So what I just tell it, whenever I get a small idea in the head, I tell it to expand it. And one of the most important passive income source is an ebook. You can write it today, put it on Amazon, put it on any other stand and any other Gumroad. The moment you put it there, even if it is $1, it is passive income. Every day you'll be seeing money coming into your account. You're like, where does this money come from? But it is ChatGPT that can help you. The fourth one, it helps me be ready to answer comments like a pro. And it can also help you. If you go to see my YouTube, the pinned comment, my Facebook, pinned comment, I bring my brain, I give it to ChatGPT, I say, please, I want an engaging pinned comment for my video. I write, the title is this, my mind is this, and it will give it to me. I'll be like a pro. You're like, oh gosh, this girl knows what she's doing. So this is what has done it for me. And you know, the moment you have an engaging engagement, that is money. Like Facebook, they only need engagement. Have engagement on Facebook and you'll sit, just enjoy the money at your own home. Let's see the last but not least. It gives me unlimited content ideas. There are very many. This video I'm giving you, this idea I'm giving you, it can twist. I say, I want this same. How ChatGPT has helped me, but in another way. Oh, that's ChatGPT for you. So you can never run out of ideas as a creator. I always ask it, please give me some 20 to 50 ideas about earning money with my phone without a hassle. It will bring it. Go and try it. And you know what? It settles me for a week. It settles me for a month. No make guessing for me to post. I don't guess anymore. The only thing I need you to do, I want you to underline this. You don't need a laptop for you to use ChatGPT and make money with your smartphone. You don't need a studio. This is not a studio. This is not a studio. You don't need expensive equipment. I'm using my phone camera, iPhone camera. You can use any phone camera. I started with an Android phone. You don't need anything that is very expensive to use ChatGPT to make money. What you need is your focus, and you're like, I salute you. Poverty is a bastard. So guys, if you like this content, please put the ideas you want to know about making money online in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to recommend it to your friends. And please, we have a conference that is coming up. If you want even masterclass, hit my inbox. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.